Blood. Blood. I change the thumbnail here, bro. It ain't trade money. Come on, man. Come on, man. You don't write down here, cuz. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Kiki? You love me? Are you riding? Oh yeah, we back, chat. Oh, this microphone is fire, chat. This microphone is fire. Kiki, do you love me? That's the corniest music I've ever heard, bro. Kiki, do you love me? Do you riding? Are you fighting me? Alright, today's gonna be. Oh, forgot the thumbnail. See? Gotta press it. Chad, are you riding? Are you fighting? Not funny. It was not funny. Everything's not funny. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Alright, we got that. All we gotta do is just put some. I'm gonna put some music, cause I'm like, I run for me, nigga. I run for my nigga. Right for my. 169. Yo, y'all shout out like that bad boy. Yes, sir. Tasha. Hey, let me go make a TikTok video real quick. Let me go get my phone and make a TikTok video real quick. Let me go make a TikTok. Let me go make a TikTok. All right, let me go make a YouTube. Let me go make a YouTube video. Let me go make a TikTok video. Okay. Like this new hat, chat. Chat. My hair is so messed up, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I got about chat. Should I go bald? I get a buzz cut. Funniest thing I said yet. Look at the biscuit. Good. 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 Hundreds. I'm running. Think about it. What a drum around to the drum around to the think about it. Drum around to Jimmy. Drum around to Jimmy. You know the Oh, I don't need this set anymore. I'll be watching my live stream, dog. Hey, sometimes you can be your own fan. Ah, ha, ha, my own fan. Okay, I'm just waiting for you. Got a number, right? Dang, my hair is messed up, chat. All the guys watching is me. Drama. You're an ICT skater and you're an ICT trader and you're an ICT trader and you can't. You're an ICT trader and don't know how to determine what type of daily profile would it be for the day. I suggest watching this video. I will pin down in the comment section below. You're an ICT trader and you don't know how to determine what type of drone liquidity would be. You're an ICT trader, you don't know how to determine what type of daily profile would it be for the day. A crucial concept, weekly and daily is a crucial concept for ICT, right? To determine drone liquidity and determine what type of daily profile would it be. I suggest watching this video right over here. How to determine what type of drone actually don't how to determine what type of ICT daily profile will it be simplified using 4 hour time frame. In this video, going over the whole thing, right? Going for yoke reversal profile one, profile two, yoke continuation, delayed protection profile, long protection profile, right? Going over all of them, right? And determine how to determine it using 4 hour time frame, right? So because people usually like to use the 1 hour time frame and like to go out to go pick out the fucking key levels and stuff, which are not BS. I'm not gonna lie, in my case, and for this to work out, you must have a bias, you must have a narrative, you must have a drawn liquidity, right? For this to work out. For daily, weekly, you must have it. So if you have that, it should be really easy for you to understand. And one other thing is, in this video, you don't even have to know what a CRT. All you gotta know is these patterns, right? The CRT. All you gotta know, you don't even have to know what is CRT. All you gotta know is these 4 hour time frame pattern, right? Which you will find out in the video. But yeah, this is how you can determine what type of daily profile would be simplified, not making it hard, not looking for key levels, because sometimes people look for the key levels and they get messed up. And you must, I said, I'm gonna say it again, must have a narrative, have a drawn liquidity, and you must, because if you have a narrative and drawn liquidity, you will know what type of daily protection profile, would it be a daily protection profile? Because if you're bullish, you're not looking for the no position profile to make the high of the day. You're looking for the legislation to make the low of the day, right? That's what I'm talking about. Having a narrative and a strong liquidity. So this could be much easier to read. And yeah, check out the video. right there in my YouTube channel. 169 views already 4 days ago. Yeah, thank you for watching. Not thank you for watching. And make sure you don't join the Discord. I'll be posting insights that I don't post out on social media. I'll be only posting it if I do post it out on social media. Way delayed, so this could get more informative, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. There, I lost drop my fucking right. Which is a crucial concept to see, right? Such as here to determine daily simple this video. So should 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 determine stuff which you just gotta daily should be added right here. Added right. Yeah, this is even before we start, let me do this video. Narrative. You have a narrative. That's a this is the just tired of so I know and you picture of a family trip. Hey, I'm not trying to use my phone, but let the video play out and let's get into our charting session. I'm only gonna go over 1 week. Um, the reason is that because when you bench too much, I don't want to get fried, right? I know what I'm doing. Just gotta be consistent, inshallah, and I take action. I mean, so let's go over the week. Let's go over the week. Let's go over the week. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the blood. Go to the blood. Let's go to the blood. Let's go to the blood. Hey, let's go to the blood. Hey, let's go to the blood. Hey. What am I doing, Chad? Hold up. I'm geek for real. Hold up. I don't know what I was thinking. See, I was thinking I was something, but damn. Damn, I hate this, bro. It's not going down, bro. Let's just start it off like this then. Let's freak it, okay? Okay, so let's start it off with this showcase right over here. 76% chance, 77, 100, I'm running, 100 miles. Can't stop me. I got a child. You know what I mean? Oh my god, I love that guy. I love that guy Ghetto, bro. My favorite Yappa. Okay. So for the weekly time frame, market is going from a ERL to IRL, which there's an SMT here correlation, but I don't like this SMT correlation stuff, bro. I hate it. I'm not gonna lie, makes me mad because it messes up the whole market. I know that it tells me that there's smart money in the concept in the play. Man, you messing up the whole market, man. So, but our weekly narrative was from ERL to IRL, right? So we're expecting lower prices, lower the prices, lower prices, lower prices, but on the 3 month, our goal was all you know, obviously over here on a 3 month goal. Our monthly goal was from external back to internal, right? From external, right here back to internal. But internal got disrespected, so lower prices from here on in. We're going from here to all of these lows, right? For 3 months is our goal is to go down here, right? So our 3 months matches our monthly, so our weekly time frame. So goal got met. We're looking for looking for a retracement at least to the candle that hit the 3 month goal, which was this candle already be here. So our weekly time frame, we're going from ERL to IRL. I'll go to the daily time frame. I will go to our bar replay here. Start from Monday. Boom. So from our Monday gameplay here is what we have is I was still bearish until the news, which was on what day? Let me see what time was the Forex Factory here. Forex Factory. I do not know what type of daily profile would it be until Wednesday, right? On Wednesday we'll confirm what type of profile would it be. But before that, let's see what happened during Wednesday, right? Wednesday expanded. So I was like, okay, daily profile looks like market weekly profile looks like to be a classic expansion, right? So until Wednesday, I was bearish. So after Wednesday, I would know what type of daily profile to go look for. Right now, I would know if I should be, if I would know if I'm looking for longs now, because I'm still looking for shorts because the order flow on the 4 hour time frame was bearish, right? So looking for bearish or bearish and bearish moves until Wednesday. Once Wednesday comes around, if the order flow turns back to bullish, I'm looking for longs to that. But all of the ERL to IRL was bearish, but our order flow was bearish. All of we're going from ERL to IRL, but our order flow is bearish. So until we get that confirmation that order flow goes to bullish and we get that classic expand weekly profile, because weekly profile is one of my crucial parts of my strategy. Daily profile is a crucial part. So now let's go to so until Wednesday, I'm looking for sales. So for in the 4 hour time frame, we're constantly rejecting highs, breaking low, rejecting high, breaking low, right? Rejecting high, breaking low. Got right over here, rejecting high. This is not high. Have a intermediate high right over here. So now I'll go to the 4 hour time frame. Play the scan 2 times. And on the hourly time frame straight away expanded here. Let's see if we're in a daily dealing range here. Are we in a dealing range here? From this low to this high? Or yeah, it could be, yeah, because this one did a low time frame total soup. So we're in heavy discount right over here. That's heavy discount area. 21 o'clock get hit. So let's see what type of profile we'll be looking for. Since we're bearish in this day, our order flow is bearish. The only way the order flow can turn bullish is from this high right over here. So that's the only way market will go to a bullish order flow. Right. So from there, we're looking for a bullish order flow after that gets hit. Right. So now are we in the dealing range here? Did the market take out a high and a low? Market took out the high out of here. Took out the high. And eventually took out the low. Then market expanded all down here to close. This one, it was an actual range here. So we're in discount overall. So since we're bearish on this day, we're looking for either a delayed protection profile to the downside or a no protection profile. So you can see right over here, it looks like to be a delayed protection profile because the 9 p.m. candle closed below. So now we go to this candle. Let's see, mark it out. So now we're expecting, in the sense, I'm expecting a normal protection profile because of how the 9 p.m. candle did not project the high. So I'm still expecting low. I'm expecting the London session to make the high of the day. They as well could be false, right? Because market tapped a monthly key level, so market goes in a bullish order flow here, right? So, but we definitely did have trades to the downside. So now let's go to the 15-minute time frame. No, but before we do that, let's mark out our key level here. This order block, did it fill any liquidity here? If you fill in liquidity. This order block presses out liquidity, but it was not that candle. This one right over here. This candle did not present any liquidity. This one cannot present liquidity. Candle never present liquidity. Let's go to the daily time frame. There must be a daily key over here, right? So we had a daily for value gap. So on a daily time frame, we're going from beforehand, right? Market was going from ERL to IRL in the hourly time frame. So in the daily time frame, when the weekly time frame, we go from ERL to IRL. On a daily time frame, we went from ERL to IRL. Right? So once this candle gets disrespected, we're going from the CRT high because the CRT high is a swing high, right? Because there's the metal candle is the biggest candle. So in this case, we're still bearish because the IRL to ERL. So until it gets respected, right? So you can say daily time frame. The weekly, yes, again, we're bearish because we're bullish because we're going from ERL to IRL. On a daily time frame, we're going from ERL to IRL because ERL right over here. Should go from right here, right? Then once this for value gets invalidated, we're looking for longs to all the way over here. So now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. We could have wait before I go any further, right? I want to say one thing here. The market reused this. Greatest high. Okay, market never reused it. Okay, market never really. So go do it one more time. Up. Since I'm looking for a normal protection profile, since I'm bearish on this day, I'm looking for a just to make the high of the day, right? Which looks like you can right over here making the high of the day. So I'm looking for no protection profile. I'm looking for either New York reversal if London doesn't really do it. You can see the next candle. Looking for pressure this liquidity. I'm looking for this because it's an inside bar. But market definitely did pressure out. You can see definitely pressure out this here. We have a daily or key level, daily recent days high right over there. A key level with a 4 hour time frame. Because market, I feel, I'm pretty sure market already pressed out this liquidity first, then but this would be an inside bar because that's just an inside bar. We won't be trading this inside bar, right? Because this we're the range CRT, bigger range CRT. We have this 15-minute inside bar. We don't trade inside bars, but I'm looking for a no resistance profile to the downside. So let's see this candle never tapped it, so we care about it, right? Go to hey, I'm getting kind of confused because of this chair, bro. Hold up, me real quick and. I hate this chair shit, bro. Let me just put it like this then, because I could focus better. So the order flow is bearish. We're overall in discount area. I'm looking for this CRT to be hit. And we're going to go to the hourly time frame as well here. I'm not looking to use that CRT as our CRT. That was our CRT because that would be a delay position profile. Boom. 2 a.m. candle, 2 a.m. candle, cat. So 2 a.m. candle, low got pressed. So I'm not looking for no trade here. That would be as our CRT here. For our time frame back. I'll trade that session. So I'm looking for a New York reversal, making the high of the day because conservative here, since we're bearish on this day, we don't want this candle to be the low of the day, right? We don't want this candle to be the low of the day, right? Because we're bearish, so we either want so since we're bearish, we don't because hold up, I'm confused here now. Since we're bearish, we want Edgerton to make the high. So if Edgerton gets middle respected, looking for New York reversal profile because we're looking to go to this down to this low, but we're not looking for that, right? So now we're not because we're just gonna go to the CRT a little. So for the next candle fully disrespected this CRT here. Let's see that we had any setup here. Okay, 5 right over here. Market respected this whole thing. Yeah, so there was no setup there. So now what we're gonna do is go to the 4 hour cloud time frame. Back. Looking for a New York reversal profile 1, 5 a.m. in the range, 2 a.m. the candle being the manipulation, and down here. The 5 a.m. candle being the range, the 9 a.m. candle being the manipulation, and the 10 a.m. candle being the expansion, right? So now all we're doing is, since we have our daily key level, we could do a refined entry here as well. We don't really need it because we already have our daily previous day's high, right? Previous day's rate, and we have a daily fair value gap. So all we're gonna go down to the 15-minute time frame for execution entry here. Market pressure, but it's not legitimate high. But I'm pretty sure market did definitely go down here, hit our TP here, hit our 50% mark. Because this setup, I wouldn't count as a setup here, especially because market hitting our goal, right? Which is over here. Because there was no legitimate high getting purged, so then it wouldn't count that as our CRT. I wouldn't count that as a setup for me because over time, what I study is that it's not legitimate high market. This in this case, but different, right? In this case, market didn't do that, but sometimes more often than not, will take us out, right? So we want to be losing losses, so I wouldn't be taking a trade. So now on to the next day, and I forgot to do my daily profile here. Market opened, expanded at the key level, reversal, accumulation, expansion, tap another key level, reversal, retracement, expansion, tap another key level to this photo block or something like that. Eventually, back they tap this key level, right? So then eventually, what I could do is market went to a reversal, retracement, expansion, hitting our key level. Eventually, we don't know what to play here. So Monday, no trade because although we did have our setup there, yes, we did have our setup there, but I never saw an entry there, right? We did have the setup, but we never saw the entry. We're still in a discount region here. So now let's play these two next candles. I'm still bearish on this day. The order flow is bearish until Wednesday. Wednesday will decide what type of profile would it be, which is on this day right over here, right? So I don't know what type of profile would it be for the week. I don't know if it would be a week classic expansion until we find out, right? Until news comes out, because that's major news that will decide the actual expansion of the week. Okay, play the market here. Oops, scandal. So boom. As I'm bearish on this day, I'm looking for to have the day or New York or London. I'm looking for a delay position profile, any of this, but we see in this candle, the 5 a.m. candle, the 9 p.m. candle is the inside bar, so we're looking to look for a no position profile here. Now let's go to the thing. Do we have our key level? We still have the same key level here. You can see same key level, same previous days. We still have that ERL to IRL here, from IRL to ERL. For this other key level, market want to touch it. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. And as well, what can we keep in mind is that we gotta look at the ranges as well, right? We're in a discount. We're in a dealing range here. We're in a discount region, and now we're in a premium region, so we're looking to sell in premium, and as well we could be looking for our range dynamic, right? Market the range dynamic. How would that work? We have the range high right over here. We don't. We have this range high, range low. I forgot the how. Let me go search up how does the range dynamic works. I literally forgot it. Yeah, it's just we're in a range here, in a low time frame range. Yeah, we are in this range right over here. Boom. So we're looking to overall sell around here, not over here, right? So let's let the panic candle play here. Execute around 3 a.m. It open at 3 a.m. is when we execute. 3:15 came in. Market first purge out the low of the CRT, so we're not looking for that as our CRT here. This scanner, this 5 a.m. candle, this other candle is our 22 o'clock could be used as a CRT here. See if we had a fusion here. But for the this candle, for this, if we're in the presence of a 4-hour time frame, we cannot be in the 1 hour. We gotta wait for the 4-hour time frame as well for us to look for our trade, right? We gotta wait for the 4 hour to get tapped into as well. Then we're looking for a setup here. So we can't be looking for no setup here until that candle gets hit. Or value already have our silver and everything here. Now play money. Boom. 4 o'clock, he went above it, right? 3:20. This is the time when he pushed it out. Went above it. I'm looking for no trades here. And this candle got purged at 4 a.m., which we're not looking at. We're looking from 3 to 4. Anything above 4 a.m., we're not looking for it. So we're waiting until next session. And one more thing is that this range low got purged, and I thought I did the market profiling here. Market opened, expanded, at the key level, reversed. Another sub soda. This looks like to be a retracement expansion, tap another key level. See how the market does it. Oh, because we're looking overall, we should not be selling around here because for our range dynamic, we want to be selling around here because this is over here is when the good type of sales comes into the market, right? So shouldn't we have even took any trade? We should have just waited for one side of the range to get hit because this will be the short term drawn liquidity. This will be the long term drawn liquidity, right? Long term drawn liquidity, short term drawn liquidity. So I mean that won't be actual thing, but the CRT, yeah. So now let's put the next candle, 5 a.m. candle. We're looking for a 5 a.m. CRT here. We're looking for a New York reversal profile. Oh, I'm forgetting what type of profile we're in here. Okay, since we're bearish on this day, we're looking for either to make the half day for a delay position profile, or we're looking for since that 5 a.m. that since that 1 a.m. candle got respected by the 5 a.m. right. That now this is a New York reversal profile because we're bearish, right? Since New York didn't make the low of the day, half the day, right? So we're looking for a New York reversal profile here. We're looking to go down to this low, which we're just going to the CRT low, which is already here. And this is New York profile 2 here, New York reversal profile 2. Now let's go to the 15-minute time frame. We got our key level and everything here. And for this, it would be different, right? For this one, I usually like to use the whole body as my thing because I see more losses on the body rather than the wick. But in this case, you can see market already created this auto block. Market already created this auto block right over here. So it would be fine for us to just use the body in this case. Says the auto block is created because market goes up, you might tap the auto block and go back down, right? In this case, market just went to down below the body, but have entered somewhere over here because we already have the actual auto block already created, right? So it says the market wouldn't really retrace there, so we can use the next candle's body here. Boom, out over there. Taking a short to this candle and 50% mark as well. Unfortunately, I didn't take this trade just because of I was looking for I was looking for the whole body, but I found out. Eventually found out, right? So you can see right over here, market tapped it. Boom, in market eventually expanded. FTV1 got hit, TP2 right over here. Boom, got hit. Now, don't care. This would be a New York with a profile 2. 1 A can be the range, 5 A be the position, and 9 A can be the expansion. You can see expanded. And for our market profiling here, market open, market open, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, tapping a key level, reversal, tap a key level, right? We tap to get up to give us an entry. Then we're looking for a retracement, another expansion, another retracement, another expansion. Boom, hitting our goal over here. And yeah, our market profile there. And for our daily profile, we're expecting a market reversal because at 1 a.m. candle, the time make the half day. We're looking for a New York reversal. For a weekly profile, we don't know it. We're just going based on the order flow until the candle gets here, right? Because I'm trying to trade based out of the ranges here. I'm trying to trade based out of the ranges here. So I'm trying to sell on the range high and buy on the range low, right? I'm not trying to trade in between it, right? Because we're in a, overall in the range over here. Why we're not calling this range because see bigger range over here, right? So yeah, now let's go to the next day. Now after this day, once the news comes out, is when I'm gonna know what type of profile will be E, right? So the 5 a.m. candle is this today will not probably be it will be less likely of a late position profile as we're bearish on this day still because the order flow is bearish overall. Once the market pushes above that candle right over there, looking for bullish order flow, right? But that's the candle. Tap the monthly key level, daily key level, weekly key level, right? So that's what I'm looking to go in a bullish order flow. So looking for bearish. So I'm looking for a delay profile, normal profile. In this case, the 15 o'clock, 17 o'clock time frame, the 5 p.m. CRT got respected. See what type of profile would be here. So now let's go to the hourly time frame. The over kill over here. That's the most important thing here. our key level is still this daily right over here. This daily time frame is still our key level here. There's other fair value gap, but overall this daily is our key level, right? That and value gap. So we our policy say like we already have our key level here. So now let's go to the time frame. Wait until 3 a.m. So let's let the market play until 3 a.m. TM candle expandedly went to hit our key level, which was the daily IRL. We use that for value gap. Market close above. So this would be a no trade profile because market closed above this CRT right over here. So we're overall in this bigger range. So market eventually pushed up. And we're looking for shorts here. Looking for a lot of to make the high of the day. We're bearish. And this is not we're on this CRT, so we'll go to 15-minute time frame. And keep in mind that 5 p.m. CRT was the 5 p.m. candle was not the CRT. He just got disrespected, right? So that one sometime market might revisit that. So in this case, boom. Market open. There's even a high here. We have our key level, which are on the hourly time here. It's our hourly key level here. This daily, well, it's hourly order block right over here. This buy gap as well. Market tapped our key level instantly. So on this day is what I'm looking for. What our daily protection profile would it be? So boom. Tap tape. To get a closure below. No. Waiting for the closure below. Waiting until 3 a.m. to take a trade here. Not below this yet. 345. This case, I'm waiting for. In this case, I would not be using the body. I would be in the wick because market has not already closed below a wick of a body. So looking for that here. 355. He closed right above it. Right, it didn't get a candle closure below it. Let's see. Boom. Candle closure. Same candle, same wick. Boom, same candle in here. Oh yeah, no closure below it. Cause I don't count the body in this case. I'm counting the wick because it was not a candle that already went below the body, right? So in this case, I'm looking for the wick. Market didn't close below it, so we're not looking for an entry there. And the 355 candle ended. When this candle ended, market disrespected as hourly CRT. We're not looking for a normal trade. But we're still in the presence of a 4-hour CRT here. So looking for a 15-minute time frame. We're still in this big ass dealing range, right? So in this case, we're still in this big dealing range. So shorting here would be a good thing, right? So I'm waiting until the next hour time frame to kind of to end. So looking for over here to look for shorts. Market did not close below it and the time ran out, right? So now I'm either looking for a New York reversal profile 2 or 1, right? Because the CRT got disrespected, right? So looking for New York profile 1 or 2 here. Market closed above here on this candle, but we're still looking for shorts until the market gives us more data here, right? So we already have one trade for the week there, which was 5. Boom. Market close above this order flow now is bullish, but better keep in mind, are we in a dealing range? Are we in a range dynamic here? That's what I keep in mind, and that's what I'm forgetting. daily range dynamic. Boom. This right over here. So yeah, we are in the range here from this low to this high. So once the like is burst, we could look for a sell here, right? It says we're in range dynamic. Although over now the order flow is bullish, the next day is when we're gonna decide what are we looking for, right? So on this day, I'm still bearish on this day because although the order flow is bearish, right? But you know our thing is saying is a New York reversal profile. Our order flow is bearish. Our range dynamic high got purged, so we're looking for shells here. Our narrative is on the weekly time frame is going from Euro to IRL, but today is probably gonna be the last day. We're looking for shorts before we're looking for longs for the next 2 days, right? So over here, letting the counter play. We're looking for shorts still because when overall you can see when it's range low, range high, range dynamic. So range high got purged, so I'm looking for a CRT to push the market back down, and we have our fair value gap right over here as our key level. Today, this day would be the last day. I'm looking for shorts and before I look for long the next day, right? Because the order flow is going to change back to bullish, but we're in a range dynamic for sales here, right? See that one, candle right over here. The 1 a.m. candle got disrespected, so look on New York Brother Profile 1. And this is the high that created it. So let's see. First, boom, expand it with the 1 a.m. candle. We still now 1 hour time frame. We still have the CRT here. Soon as that, we just tap the range high. So looking for sales here, right? Oh, the order flow is bullish. So looking for sales. I'm looking for a New York reversal profile because if we're bearish, right? If we're bearish, this should not be the low of the day, right? This candle, the 1 o'clock should not be the low of the day because we're bearish, right? We're looking for a New York reversal profile because I don't believe that should be the low of the day. That should be the high of the day, right? Not the low of the day. Or else I would not be looking for a New York. I would not, or else I would, or else I would have not been looking for a New York reversal profile. A little bit looking for longs here, right? Because the daily profile, if I'm bearish, this should not be the low. This should be the high today, right? You can see now market expanded, so I'm looking for a New York reversal profile 1 or 2. This in this case would be the New York profile 1. The 5 candles are range, the 9 candles are manipulation, and 10 a.m. candles are action, right? The 1 p.m. candle. What's a 15-minute time frame? Is a 1 and 5 minute time frame as well. Market opened straight away, soup out the actual. The market straight away soup out the high, which was not a legitimate high there. Was a legitimate high there? Nope. 5 minute candle. Waiting for another soup here. It was not a legitimate high, so another candle here. It's happened 2 times this week, right? Not there and somewhere else here. Somewhere else. Yeah, it happened here as well. You can see market open, soup out the high. Yeah, so it happened on Monday as well. So I'm looking for this type of trades. Market opened. You can see market boom, close below this. Looking for legitimate high to get purged. So I got purged, so I'm looking for a sell here. But once this TP1 gets hit, I can't be looking because this is where the reversal happened, right? This candle hit TP, so I can't look for a trade. In this case, we'll be using the body in this case instead of the wick because you see market already closed below. My bad. It was a little, a little argument. So let's get back. Oh my god. So in this case, I'm using the body. Why am I using the body, not the wick?
Next time, don't throw at me. I'm gonna throw this at you.
Hold on, chat. Let me get my hat. I had some little problem here. He got escalated quick, so he was chilling. Yeah, let's get back to the thing we're doing. Get to the back session. So today, for the reason I didn't use the reason I did not look for a 5-minute, the reason I was looking for this case, we already tested my, he already tapped my kilo, so I wasn't really looking for any, any entries because I already hit my take profit one, right? So, but in this case, what else do we have here is that, what do we have here? I think the reason I was looking for, I got off topic here, right? But let me go get back to the thing, right? So the reason I was looking for a the reason I was looking for a body instead of a wick was very simple, just due to because of this scanner already got closer below it, and I was looking for a body because you can see the body is bigger than the wick here. But the only way I'm looking for a body tap is if I've already have a candle that close fully to the body, right? And there's a consecutive candle, right? When it's not a consecutive candle, I'm looking for mainly just body, right? So yeah, so there was no big interest here. Let's go to the next day. So next day, which we will know what type of daily profile we're looking for here. Market reverse, tap a key level, reversal, retracement, expansion, to another key level, and eventually another reversal back to the upside, right? Now we start from here. Market expanded, so I'm looking for bullishness here to all the way here. So I'm looking for a classic expansion because you can see market is not going to go drop down all the way here back to the downside, right? So I'm looking for a classic expansion week to the upside. So weekly, we're going from ERL to IRL. So now that the order flow is back to bullish, so now we go from ERL to IRL. On a daily, we're going from ERL back to IRL. The reason we're going from ERL back to IRL is basically because our IRL is right over here, by the way. So the reason we go from here because this fair value got disrespected. So when this fair value gets respected, I'm looking for the swing high or swing low, or the high or low that created the fair value. In this case, would be this candle right here, the swing high. And the reason I don't really care about this because this is the candle that created it, right? So why would I care about this candle? This candle, the one that created this fair value gap, right? So now, other than that, what we got have here is go to the 4-hour time frame. We're bullish. We're looking for longs here. So the candle play. Next candle play right over here. I'm looking for longs. We could look for a double purge here, right? Do we have any double purge here? We did not have any double purge. Did we? Yeah, market did purge out that low. So we were another range here, right over here. We're in this bigger range, this CRT. So we're just looking for a time per CRT. This time I did not take the trade because it was a holiday. So I was like, I made an excuse to not take a trade just because of the holiday. So yeah, which is not a good thing. So next time, as long as the candle print, we could be trading. So yeah, let's get into this other one. So we have this 9 a.m. candle to our CRT. So we'll just look. All we're looking for is, well, since we don't have a time range, we're looking for a timed soup, right? Since we already have our time range here, and for the key level for this would be what would be our key level for that time frame? Would be this previous day's high as our key level right over here. Yeah, this could be used as our key level right over there. We have already there, right? So now mark out the low. Now, and for the daily profile, so the weekly profile, we're looking for expansion week. So we're looking for London session to make the low of the day. And as you can see, the 5 p.m., the 9 p.m. candle was the inside bar. So we're looking for London session to make we're looking for a normal partition profile. So we're looking for London to make the low of the day. So now here, since we're in a bigger range, we don't really count that, but we're looking for a normal partition profile here would be the London session low of the day. So now for the candle at 2 o'clock is when it soup it out. So now once you soup it out at 2, we're looking for a trades here. Let's see if the market purchases out this liquidity again. It doesn't put it out, we're not looking for a trade, but if it does, we are looking for a trade here, right? So since we got a soup here, we got our key level, which is previous day's high. Now 15-minute time frame. There's a legitimate low there as well. So looking for this candle to go close above it. Then we're looking for entries here. So let's see the market came right back down, pressed out that low. So now all we're gonna do is looking for this candle to be our CRT here. So for a candle, we're here. What we have here is we have a legitimate low there. It goes back to our hourly time frame. We look for a hourly key level. Do we have our key level? Yes, we do with this 4-hour CRT. The low over there. So looking to 5 hourly time frame. And all we're looking for is a closure above this candle that super the low, which eventually did we get this candle right over here. So we close above that candle. The body is bigger than the wick, so we're looking for the body instead of the wick, but that's literally the body, right? So look at the long distance out of here, 345. We respected it. So out over there, TP1 would be here. TP2 would be all the way to these high and the 50% mark. So right over there, boom, TP2 is here. We're going for the final TP. We're going for a 3.2 RR, but this trade ended up quick because you know it was a holiday, so market came right back down. But they did definitely hit TP here, right? But for advanced entry would be somewhere over here with the you know low toughness CRT within the high toughness CRT would be right over here our entry. But it looks like it got stopped out once, and we had a re-entry there, and we got another entry over there as well, right? So boom, the product market play hit TP1. Once hit TP1, we are break even. We made some profit. Eventually, you can see never hit TP2. We're at break even, so market thought I was back at break even, so no more trades to take there. Eventually, the trade did definitely pan out. You can see market went all the way TP here. And as well as a little market profile here. Market open, expansion, retracement, another expansion, eventually another retracement, eventually consolidation. After consolidation is basically another expansion or manipulation. In this case, expansion, another retracement, another expansion, hitting a key level. So now we're looking for reversal. Then market pushed up, retraced, expansion. Market never recalled above this, so we can be a consolidation here. Till market size if he wants to push up here. Eventually, it's still in a consolidation because we have not closed above that candle. Now we close above that candle. Now we're in a expansion here. Eventually, as you can see, market took a long time to hit TP, but it definitely hit TP. We would be stopped out at a break even on this candle because our advantage would be here. But yeah, it would be a stopped out trade at break even, making a lot of profit. But yeah, that would be our trade for the day. So for Monday, we took one trade. Wait, this is. This one we didn't take a trade. On this day, on Monday, we only took one trade this week. We only had one beautiful trade this week, which was on Tuesday. This day would be a small gain. Eventually, Friday, there was no trade to take here, but Friday, we're still going to do our most of my protection profile here. Friday, we're going from ERL to IRL in the weekly time frame. We have a classic expansion week. On the daily profile, I'm looking for one of the sessions to make the holiday. So in this case, we're bullish in this case, right? So now the order flow is bullish. We're in a range dynamic here. We're in this range right over here, so we want to be selling above. We want to be selling above the range high and buying below the range low, right? So we don't want to be trading inside of it. So now there's a candle play, market open, 1 a.m. candle straight away popped up, shot up there. Did we have any entry here in the 1 a.m. candle? 2 a.m. candle got to respect this, so we're not looking for a trade. So we just wait until next session. Market looks like it closed below it. Goes below the so for the daily profile, what do we have here? We all we have is this cannot be the CRT, so we're looking for a double purge here, right? So double purge, so market purge out the high, CRT double purge here, right? So market purge out the high and purge out the low. Let's see, purge out the high and the low. So now we could look for expansion here from here on in, right? But market go redo it back down there and get expansion. But we're looking for a New York reversal profile 2 in here. And inside this candle, we never had an entry here, so I'm not looking for no trades here. But we definitely had the double purge here. So we're looking for a New York reversal profile. What we're looking for New York profile, because since we're bullish in this case, we're looking for agents to make the low of the day, or London to make the low of the day. London did not make the low of the day. Agents did not make the low of the day, right? So we're looking for the 5 a.m. candle to make 5 a.m., 9 a.m. candle to make the low day to look for a New York reversal profile here, right? So market purge out the high and the low of the range of this CRT double purge. But you can see we're overall in this bigger range, so we don't even want to even trading in this range because as you can see, Order flow is bullish, so we want to be buying around here, and we don't want to be selling around here because our low short-term drawn liquidity here. So also this could be like this, right? It could be this could be a double purge on the on the dynamic range, right? Market taking out the range high and the range low, then eventually making a true push up to the upside, right? In this case, just had a CRT double purge, right? There's CRT double purge. And then for the range dynamic would be a CRT range. It will be the range dynamic purge, right? You can see taking out the high, like basically a range dynamic double purge, taking the high and the low, eventually expanding to the doing an actual expansion there. But for this case, I want to eventually evolve into taking all the trades in the range dynamic. When as you can see in the range here, I only want to be taking trades during the range dynamic. For the range dynamic, I'm not going to be looking for trades. But yeah, before I got respected, so looking for a trade here. So waiting for the next session to open up. Now this like you see, the reason I'm not calling it a CRT here because it closed above the body, right? But this is only one consecutive candle, and the market did not close below the other candle, right? So or if I call that because you pressed out this liquidity, right? You can see I call that out. Looking for a closure above this until like 12 a.m. We already have the time purge over here, which is at say 9 a.m. right over there, and we're looking for that CRT double purge here. The purge out the high and the low. We could go into the CRT purge high, which was right over there. So waiting here, market super another low. We did not get a can closure above it, so we're not looking to count that as our model one there. Candle play. So you can see the body, it did close above the body, but it's not a consecutive candle, right? So we don't count that as a model one there. So this is the candle play. We're looking for a candle closure above this. Eventually, around 12 is when it expanded, right? 12 expanded to the range dynamic high again. So doing another double purge from the low to the high. Market pressure out another liquidity here. Boom. This would be our CRT, but this model one never got tapped into, right? But we would definitely have a low time frame CRT entry here. But as I said, when I get in more into having more consistent result, then I'll eventually push into that low time frame CRT. But you can see, but I had a low time frame CRT entry here. Let's see the 5 minute to 1 minute time frame. Better entry in there. Boom, there's not a legitimate low, so we're waiting for another legitimate low to get pushed. Boom, eventually market push right back down there. See, push back out down in there, and eventually you can see market close above it. Retap into this model one here to help it purge out this liquidity. And this would be our low time frame CRT, which has way more losses, but also definitely part of the process, part of the trading, right? So yeah, we're going all the way to this high right over here. The final take for the TNRR. But I would have not taken this in the future. Inshallah, I'll probably take it for now. It's not. But let's go to our video for this weekly market recap. No trades took in this whole week, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I learned something from this week, right? So now let's go to it. Getting ready. Okay, so and the mic is ass. So this is my weekly market recap. Like no trades took in this week, but I had a lot of lessons. I learned a lot of things about my weekly profile, daily profile. But yeah, let's get into this. So for the first half of the week, I was looking for sales, and eventually from Wednesday is when I'm looking for to predicting what type of weekly profile would it be, because Wednesday was the actual major news there because the previous day beforehand we just FOMC meeting, which was not an actual big news there, right? So after Wednesday, after that NFP claim, I think is when we're looking for expansions, right? Then we could define what type of weekly profile would it be, right? But on the weekly time frame, we're going from a weekly ERL to IRL. From a daily time frame, we're going from for the first day, right? We're going from IRL to ERL. You can see ERL back to IRL, right? Eventually, once the fair value gets disrespected, we're going from IRL back to ERL, which is over here, because this candle got disrespected, fair value gets disrespected. So that gets disrespected, we're looking go to the swing high or swing low, or to the high to the low that created the fair value gap. Could be all the way over here. So yeah, and So yeah, so now let's go to the Monday. Monday, with literally no trades. Market tapped the key level. Did give us an entry here, but that entry did not bridge out the legitimate high. So I'm not looking for no trades. But I was looking for a New York reversal profile 2. In this case, was it profile 2? Yeah, we're looking for a New York reversal profile. The 1 or 2. It was 1 or 2. Is one of them, right? But for me, pretty sure is the profile 2. But yeah, Monday no trades. Tuesday market open. I was looking for a looking for a New York reversal profile 2. I was looking, but order flow was still bearish during this day. Although my weekly profile weekly objective was to go bullish, I'm looking for a short term to be bearish until the market breaks pressure up on this candle. This candle right here, this bullish candle that tap into the ERL and the monthly fair value gap. Until this fair value get until market shift to the upside from this bullish candle, I was looking for sales because the order flow will overall be still bearish, right? Eventually, market open. I was looking for New York profile 2. The line of session did not make the low of the day, just expanded. I'm looking for since I was bearish in this day, I'm looking for New York or London to make the high day. In this case, London did not make the high day, so looking for a New York reversal profile 2. So let's go to 50-minute time frame here. But we already had our kilo, which is the month daily fair value gap and the previous day's high. So all I was looking for is an entry here. I did not take this trade, but I learned from it. I learned from how to trade the body or the the wick. But in this case, we were using the body. We were using the body because market did not close below the wick. But the market already closed below a whole body of a candle. So now we can use the body. So in this case, we're using the body here. Market's at the body here. Then market expanded down. In this case, I was looking for the market to close below it right here. I was like, damn, market ain't no way market's gonna be traded all the way back up here. And I did have another entry here. I did have this different type of entry, but this did not offer me a 2RR, right? So I was looking for like, okay, I'm not looking for an entry here. It's offering me less than 2RR. As well, what else do we had on this candle was that we had a range dynamic here, right? Range dynamic, we're in a premium here, and eventually you can see when this little range dynamic we want to be selling above the we want to be selling or buying at the once the range high or range low, the dynamic range gets tapped, right? In this case, the range high gets tapped, so I'm looking for shorts, right? So market played out, market the next day. You can see that'll be a trade, that'll be a 2.5 RR. And yeah, that's it. And going to into Tuesday, no setups here because market did not present a legitimate high here. And once I did have my entrance here, I was looking for another reversal profile, right? So I was looking for another reversal profile, which I did not get. So okay, patient. So looking, I was saying right here. I'm thinking about something. So I was for Tuesday. I was looking for another New York order profile too because if I'm bearish, I want Legends to make the high of the day, right? And New York to continue it. In this case, it did not make the high of the day, so we're looking for New York to reversal, right? And you can see right over here, market did broke pressure up, but this is gonna be the last day. I'm looking for shorts before I'm looking for lows for the next day, right? Because we're in the overall in range dynamic, we're just range high, range low. We want to be selling above the range high, and we want to be buying below the range low, right? And you can see the range high got hit, so I'm looking for a trade here. Market never gave me entry because market never pressed out the legitimate high here. So I'm looking for like no trades. So now on to the next day. So next day, now looking for longs here, right? I did have this long opportunity here, which was for 3.2 RR, which was only a 1% gain, but this is on a holiday, so I just made an excuse to not take a trade on that day, just to call it a day off because But I made a mistake because my professor told me that my mentor told me that as long as I'm candle printing, there should be setups there for you to take, right? So you see right over here on Thursday, I was looking for a London to make the low of the day because you can see this candle right over here. Overall, in a bigger range, with this bigger range CRT candle over here, this candle got disrespected. When overall in this bigger range, so looking for this candle to make the low of the day, right? So looking for a New York low of the day in New York. And I was looking for a London low of the day in New York to kind of expand it. So all I was waiting for is the timing of the price. Since this was not, since I didn't really care about this 2 candle, although I should be caring about it for the daily profile. We're in a bigger range. So all I was waiting for London to make a low of the day to be a known position profile and New York to continue the move. As you can see, more New York continue to move to the upside. And right over here, so if you go to the hourly time frame, we had our right time of the purge, which was at 2 a.m. candle, 3 a.m. actually, yeah, 2 a.m. So we went until 3 a.m. to take a trade. 2 a.m. At 2 a.m. Therefore, never offered me an entry. At 3 a.m. market purge out the 2 a.m. candle low, making a CRT eventually. And yeah, that was that. We're looking for entry there, and we are overall in a bigger CRT here. So we had a double purge on the low as well. So we could have been looking, we could have extended our take profit and hold it all the way till over here. But yeah, in this case, our CRT would be this, but we're in a bigger range of the CRT here, which would be hourly CRT high, which would be the 10 a.m. candle. That CRT high did get purged, but this would be called as this will be called as a double purge of a CRT. Both sides of the CRT gets purged. Eventually, if we're bullish, right, the CRT guy gets purged. We don't really care about that. CRT low gets purged. Now we can look for a true expansion from here. Eventually, you can see the market did a true expansion. And I had an entry here, the 5-minute time frame, because are we looking for a 5-minute? Because we had an hourly CRT as well. So looking for a 5-minute. But I think I made a mistake here. I picked the wrong hourly CRT. I should have definitely picked out this. This would have not been our CRT. Our CRT would have been this candle right over here. This would have been a double purge CRT. See market straight away reflect out of that candle. So all we're gonna do is go to the 5-minute, like it's purged. Wait until 3 a.m. to look for a trade. Market purged out that low, right, as we're talking about. But we look until 3 a.m. Then we're looking for setups here. Got a legitimate low here. We did have a legitimate low there. We did have a key level here as well. But this CRT got disrespected. So at 3 a.m. we're looking for a trade. Straight away at 3 a.m. market disrespected it. We're looking for another purge because we're in the presence of, I think we're not a presence of 4-hour CRT here. No, we're not. So we had a 5-minute model one. In this case, if we would have picked the 2 a.m. candles or CRT, would have not had a loss. But if we would have picked out that double purge CRT, would have had a loss because, you know, we had an entry out of here and market would have stopped us out. But we would have had a re-entry out of here, market entered, and we're going for a long TP here, which took a long time, never hit sell stop, going for a 3.2 RR. But using the 2 a.m. candle as our CRT would have been a like 0.50% gain. But this week I did not take no trade. But on Friday, I was looking for a double purge CRT again because CRT has low got purged and our 15 o'clock was our CRT. We're still in this range. We're looking for a double purge here again, right? And for my normal entry, I never had an entry because market went past my trading time and market never retraced to any kilo with this model one. It just expanded, right? So our TP would be over here, right? You can see how the market, right when it's at the key level, that's here, the purge high, market reflect out of it, right? And over here, only had a low toughness CRT entry, no nothing else but low toughness CRT. But in the future, I'll definitely get into the low toughness CRT within the high toughness CRT. Right now, I'm just gonna try to build consistency on my trading. And what word do we learn from this week? We learned to when to use the body instead of the wick. The only way we can use the body instead of the wick would be when we have a CRT. When we have a candle. So if this is a consecutive candle, right? If the market closed below a candle already, below the body in the wick, we can use the next candle as a just as a body, right? And enter out of that. And yeah, that's how we could use the body of a order block because a body of an order block has a lot of losses. You can see, you would have used this loss. You would have used one more time. If you would have used, what's the other one? If you was this loss, right? Because you're using the body, right? So what you gotta do is you gotta think it out because but there must be a consecutive candle, right? And one candle must be fully closed below the body and the wick, right? And yeah, and future inshallah get into low type of CRT within the high type of CRT and execute on there. But right now just mainly consistency. This week I didn't take no trade, but I learned a lot, right? But yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later. Long time to stop that video, man. Let me go pause the video chat. This is it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I gotta go slaving. And yeah, tomorrow, what is gonna be tomorrow? What is gonna be tomorrow? What is gonna be tomorrow? Tomorrow can be has to be a market update for crypto. Let's do it today. Let's do it today. Sure, papi, mananio. Let me after I'm done with this video, then I'm gonna make it, right. Alt season is about to start, and welcome to my weekly market update for crypto. So on this video, we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin, ETH, Tota 3, alt season, Bitcoin and ETH dominance, and some of my investment I have, some meme coins and shit like that. So yeah, let's get into this. Bitcoin. As long I just wish if you see Bitcoin range, we're gonna have alt season. As simple as that. Because when Bitcoin ranges, that means alts have time to pump up, right? Alts have more time to pump up. As you can see, when Bitcoin range, that's around right over here. My coin, AKT, pumped up. Akash pumped up like 100%, right? From $2 to all to $4. You can see right now it's at $4.30, 33 cents. And what else do we have here? Right now, I just want to see a range. Nothing special. I just want to see a range. Or if we can see more ranges, or we could see a pullback, right? Pullback to this low right over here. Strong here. Pull back to that low. Eventually, this low would push the price back up to all-time high. Eventually, get a new all-time to 100,000. Eventually, from their end, could be a push up there, right? But yeah, that's that. The pullback should be till 95K to 94K, 90K max. If you go anything below that, that's going to be a way too much, right? 90K max is all over here. So somewhere around from 95K to 93K should be a good position for a pullback, because pullback should definitely be happening, because market can't just go up, right? It needs to go through phases, right? And we do have this daily CRT. We have this big ass bulky candle. We have an inside bar here. So if the market goes down here and pushes out the CRT low, we get a push right back up out of here, right? That's for Bitcoin. Oh, if Bitcoin doesn't do anything and just ranges, that's good, because we can get alt season happening. Now let's go to the ETH. ETH is just pumping right now. As I said a long time ago, my last market update was to just accumulate, because market loves reaccumulation spots. Reaccumulation spot right over here. Market accumulated, eventually expanded. You would have been up what? Would have done a average price entry somewhere here. Let's just say you bought the dip number over there. Would have been up 65%. If you're doing utility coins like this for ETH and these big ones, you would be risking way more than than your normal average entry on Egghash or or on these meme coins, right? You would have been risking more, because that market cap is high, so you wouldn't be really losing a lot, right? So for ETH right now, really nothing much. I just we might get a break of this level right over here. We do have this support level here. We get a break of this level, retest and go push up back here. But in a CRT way, it all depends on Bitcoin, man. It all depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin could range. This could definitely pop up even higher. And we did have the CRT range right over here. We CRT high, CRT low. Market is with the inside bar. Market has the CRT low. From here would be entry, actual good entry over here to push the market to the upside. And yeah, you would have still been in the trade, because you're also use investment, right? So let's go to the Tota 3. Whoa, I don't know why. Go to the Tota 3 here. Tota 3 is reaching. Oh, it's probably gonna reach 1 trillion market cap. I'm not gonna lie, excluding Bitcoin and ETH. The reason it reached 1 trillion market cap is because, as I said, as long as Bitcoin could range, we're gonna have alt season, right? Because we're above the 70K mark, we're 90K mark, right? So the alt season is definitely near, right? And we're in this Ethereum Bitcoin all dominance. If this could pump up a lot from here on end, we're gonna see alt season, right? If we can see a dominance above this, you can see it's pulling up higher here. See this trend line get broken one more time, we're gonna have definitely a high chance of a alt season from Bitcoin dominance here, from Ethereum / Bitcoin dominance 1 week buy stamps, right? Stamp, So now let's go to the Akash. What are my investment I have? I'm looking to go from $16 to $32 at my final take profit. I'm no longer go from $80. because this makes more sense. You can see this is in the range of a 2 point. This right here, if you pull out the lowest low to the highest high, to the all-time high, to the Fibonacci level, our take profit one would be inside its range, right? The four level is connected to this $32 mark, 2.5, the 2 is connected to, like, a $1 to this mark is connected to this right over here, right? It's -2, it's -2.5, so $16. So that's what I'm looking to go for a 4 to 8x. I called it off because I don't want to be staying too long, because it's gonna be dangerous if you're staying into the market for too long, right? So now we go to Solana. Solana is an all-time high right now. It should be, right? It is all-time high. Yeah, this is Bitstamp. That's why. Okay, but Solana definitely the all-time high here. Just pulled back a little bit, but all-time high will be $250 for all Solana. I feel like higher prices from here on in, because we have this fair value gap, and we have the CRT. So this would be a good buying position right now. I mean, market. Let's just hope you already had your entry. So for a time frame for a lower entry here, yeah, you would have already been in this trade. Got a kilowatt entry, the uptrend, boom. This is the candle pressure out the low. This auto block entry would be an entry to the upside. We're going for the all-time high and hold some runners here. Take profit. Go for a 1.89 RR. If you're leverage trading, you're probably gonna make way more. You're gonna hold more until, because all this is coming, right? Once the all season comes, Solana, ETH, and these top coins on the top 10 is gonna outperform most of the other coins. So this is where God's gonna pump, right? Even if it's a narrative or not. And this Solana is a narrative because meme coins, right? And this is one of my investment I have. Dolan Duck is a meme coin I bought recently, and I had my first entry here, second entry on his Model 1. I bought again. I rebought over here, respected it. You can never broke it, but I did have a loss here. I had another Model 1 entry here. Okay, eventually respecting because Bitcoin dropped down a lot. So this is a meme coin, so it could drop down even more, right? And this coin, this looks like to be, it's probably never gonna recover from here. I'm still this coin. I'm down $1,000. I'm down $1,200 on this coin right over here. I'm down on this coin. Although it looks like, oh, I should be up. Unfortunately, I'm not up, because when before I entered this Dolan Duck entry, I became exit liquidity a lot, right? I entered around the $55 mark, but that was when I did not know how to trade meme coins. Now I do know how to trade meme coins. I have to use CRT, learn lesson from there on in, right? But yeah, right now I'm up. But overall investment on this trade, I'm up. On overall in this trade, I was down, but I'm up because I'm investing, right? I'm doing a midterm to long term investment. But I'm up on this. Also break even, I need another like pump up to like this $39.39 will push me back to break even. And yeah, 39 cents, I mean. But yeah, this is my weekly market update for Bitcoin and crypto. All season's near. If as long as this could range, we're gonna have all season. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, I see you guys chat. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys next week. So no, not next week. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, probably gonna do some game night or something like that. But yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, chat. I'll see you guys later.